Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create avatar in Zoom. Zoom avatars are fun virtual characters that move with your expressions, which is great for privacy or just adding fun to the meetings. To create a Zoom avatar, open up your Zoom application and sign into your account, and once you're in the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the More menu, click on Meetings. Now, go ahead and tap on Backgrounds and Effects. Inside Backgrounds and Effects, go to Avatars option. Now, choose from the list of available avatars from the menu. Right after you select one, you will then be able to see an avatar of your choice on the screen. You can also choose any other avatars, if you like, from the menu. Your camera will now show your avatar instead of your real face. Just make sure that... Now the next thing you would want to do is to choose whether you'd like to apply this avatar in all meetings or not. In order to apply this avatar in every meeting that you create, toggle on the button at the bottom right where it says Apply to All Meetings, and once this toggle button is turned on, you will then be able to create an avatar for your upcoming meetings as well. Avatar gives you a fun and private way to attend Zoom meetings. Your camera is on but your face stays animated and playful. That is how you easily create and use an avatar in Zoom. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.